Jason Shaw, the 1977 Ford. Hey, this little truck took first place in the first class. Joseph Smith, then Mark Beer. Chad Parkos, Louis Johnson. Again, and that's all she wrote. Down there at 297 and 9, 297 and 9, good enough for third position right now, I believe.